Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Joseph Ikhalia, and I am a senior cybersecurity engineer at Riela Cyber. What does cybersecurity mean to you? Now, when you say cybersecurity, what comes to mind to a lot of people is this picture. A bad guy from the underworld trying to steal your data and maybe your financial information or personal sensitive data, and maybe your money as well. But cybersecurity is more than that. Cybersecurity consists of three solid pillars, which is technology, people, and process. And I don't really think this comes in any order because everyone has technology. We use smartphones, smart TVs, Internet of Things. We use servers, workstations, printers, network devices at our offices. And then we have people that use this technology and also people that manage them. Then what about the process? You see, a lot of people don't really talk about the process. Cybersecurity needs an effective process to govern how we use this technology in a secure and safe manner. So therefore, the emphasis of this first session will be people and process. Now you need people. Why? Why do you need people? Because humans are to blame for 9 in 10 cyber breaches, according to a recent study. And also the advent and the growth of phishing attacks, vishing attacks, and smishing attacks, they all require the human vulnerability to be successful. And also, we have organizations that don't enforce the appropriate reporting of security events, because security events can eventually lead to incidents. We also have the insufficient application or implementation of policies and procedures, which we're going to talk about down the line. And also recently, we have the weak passwords. It only takes one: fraudulent email, automatic safe passwords, discarded policies, late software updates, weak password, one new employee not familiar with the security protocol to breach your organization or to lead to a security breach in your organization. So we need to be careful and we need to do something about it. The question is, what can we do? Now, the first thing is we need to maximize our password security. And that has to do with the technology. So you have to enforce the right policy at the technical control level to ensure that we have the right password combination. So a mixture of letters, numbers, special characters, and you know that. And it has to be very, very long so that it will be hard to detect and it will be hard to brute force. We also need to protect against phishing attacks, which is user awareness, social engineering training. And it has to be proactive. It has to be contextual. Some years ago, I wrote a paper about security awareness training, and I discovered that one of the problems organizations are facing is the generalization of security awareness. We need to put it in context. The HR department needs security awareness relevant to their businesses and their operations. The IT department needs the same thing. They need something that is fit for purpose. We need to know how to report incidents. And all these things we're going to talk about down the line. So see you in the next video.